guys, we're going to mukbang ice cream. Here is what we're gonna mukbang. Okay, let's mukbang it. I always make this. Sorry, I didn't show you on my videos because I am shy, but today I'm gonna show you. Brain freeze. Chocolate. See, it's chocolate. Thick freeze. And we have cookies and cream, which is my favorite. That's it. Bye. I guess bye. Wait for part 2.